Welcome back to another buc-ees construction update video. Today's Friday, March 14th, 2025.
We're in Huber Heights, Ohio, at the site of Ohio's first buc-ees.
We decided to come down here on Friday this week because Saturday and Sunday are supposed to get a lot of rain and some potential bad storms. Today's a real nice sunny day in the 70s. It's kind of like that teaser spring. It's real nice, but you just know it's not going to last. But today we're fighting a lot of wind with the drone, so it's going to be a short video. Just wanted to kind of catch a weekly update, kind of show you what progress has been made since last week. The drone video is going to show a little bit of progress all over the site out there. I think the most notable difference that we saw was it looks like there's a strip of asphalt in that north parking lot. Also, there's a lot more definition to that south parking lot that last week we didn't see. So like I said, it's going to be a short video. We just want to keep the series going. So I think that's going to do it for today. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of the buc-ees construction update videos. As always, thanks for watching.
See you down the road.
Bye for now.
Bye.
This week, we got to meet one of our viewers. He's a subscriber to the channel. His name's John Esper. He lives around Columbus, Ohio. Sunday afternoon, he happened to be in the Huber Heights area checking out the buc-ees construction site. He sent us a message, and just so happened we were coming home from Dayton, real close to the area, so we drove over, met him at the Taco Bell across the street from the construction site. It was nice to meet you, John, and we'd like to say thank you for watching our videos.